up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at Supreme Week 9. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So let's jump right into all the pieces that I picked up. After that, we'll talk a little bit about Sellout Times and conclude with how these items are doing on the resale market. So starting with my fleece. So this was a North Face week, big week. These are definitely some popular items. I was obsessed with the white fleece and the multicolored print of the Supreme all the way throughout this. It's got a big one on the collar, which I love a lot, but this is a really high quality fleece. I'm definitely gonna wear this a lot in the winter. We've got the dual pockets here and some Velcro pockets here at the top, which is quite nice. So if you want to store anything extra, you can put it in here. But this is just going to be a great layering piece for the winter coming out here in New York soon, which I'm not looking forward to. Next up, I did pick up a couple more North Face pieces. I was able to snag a t-shirt. This size is a size small. So this has the North Face on the front. I got it in the green color scheme. Very simple branding on the front, very small, which I kind of like. On the back, we've got that nice detailing right there, that nice picturesque mountain view, which I don't really see here in New York, but I do love the metallic. You can kind of see it glimmering in the sun right now. It's really dope. But a nice, really high quality t-shirt, super comfortable, lightweight. And I also got a white tee with the same print. This time, this one is in a size medium, so you'll be able to see how these both fit me differently. Obviously, small is a little bit more snug, and this is a little bit more oversized. Again, that same print on the front as well as the back. You got that metallic action going on there.
Why does it feel like a monster's chasing me? It's summertime back in 1993. I untangled the wires, and it took quite some time. But when I hit the switch, there you stood. We were miles apart, but then I traveled through the dark, following lights that led to you.
All right, and last but not least, I was very excited to get this piece because it's very wearable. I'm obsessed with plaid. You guys always know I'm styling with plaid continuously, but I was able to snag this plaid jacket. And what's cool about this is it's actually like dual layered here. So you've got this inner layer, which is quite warm, it's quilted. And then we've got the plaid on the outside of here, a nice hoodie zip up lining there on the outside. And then we've got that nice, really cool Supreme detailing on the hood there. But this is definitely something I'm going to be using and layering, so happy that I was able to get this in the black colorway.
Laying on black sand beaches, thinking of what life teaches. So glad and fall from the deep end, said we vibing under the city lights, wherever the wind gon' take us. If it's good, we make it contagious, said we vibing. Laying on black sand beaches, thinking of what life teaches. So glad and fall from from the deep end, said we vibing. Even when the days feel low, Faye's gonna have that glow. Already moving where they ain't think I go. Never show your hand or fold. Keep that poker face shining. Keep that hope and faith and face the fire. Ain't no trace of hate that you can find. If you say I'm hating, then you lying. Put your hand on the Bible, won't you try and say that again? Polygraph it, I'll probably map it. Got an alibi or a friend. Ever seen lightning hit same place twice? Won't say I'm God, but Zeus like. Also the guy with the juice side. Phase average shot.
All right, so now let's talk about sellout times before we head into how these items are doing on the resale. So this sold out the fastest in an XL in 20 seconds, followed by the brown small flannel hoodie. After that was the North Face black in an XL in 21 seconds, then the hooded flannel in brown in a large in 23 seconds. Then we had the hooded flannel in XL in brown, 23 seconds, and orange in XL sellout in 23, followed by a blue. So it looks like lots of these flannel hoodies did well. So this seems to be one of the most popular pieces of the week. Next up was this colorway for the North Face fleece. I feel like was pretty popular, as far as the parka. The size small and white sold in 24 seconds. And then it looks like the black fleeces went after that in 65 seconds. So that's what you have for the US sellout times. Now let's conclude with how these pieces are doing on the resale market. All right, let's get into resale. So the hooded flannel zip up is going from $225 to $360, and those retailed at $148, obviously depending on size and color. That will depend on what it's selling for. The Supreme North Face mountain tees are going between $75 to $100, and those retailed at $58, again, depending on size and color. And then last but not least, the fleece, which went for $288, is going between $370 to $480. So a little bit of price range there, depending obviously on the color, size, and fit. Will depend on what price point those are reselling at as well. All right, that's it for Supreme Week 9. Thank you everybody for tuning in. If you're new, hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, hit that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.